In 2021, Zenith introduced the Chronomaster Sport, a sports chronograph that quickly became a modern classic. Sharp, versatile, and powered by Zenith's legendary El Primero, it has since appeared in countless variations, from tricolor dials and rainbow bezels to titanium editions. And now, one of the most striking versions yet is going worldwide, the Zenith Chronomaster Sport Meteorite. The case remains familiar, 41mm in stainless steel, 13.6mm thick, with sharp lugs and pump pushers, framed by a glossy black ceramic bezel, engraved with a tenth of a second scale. It's water-resistant to 100 meters and designed to balance sportiness with timeless appeal. But the true highlight is the dial. Cut from genuine meteorite, it reveals the geometric Wittmann-Stetten pattern, a naturally occurring structure formed by molten iron cooling slowly in space. In classic El Primero fashion, 3 subdials are present, but here they're rendered in a subtle gradient of white and grey, giving the watch a sleek, monochrome look that complements the cosmic dial texture beautifully. Inside beats the El Primero 3600, Zenith's latest high-frequency chronograph movement. Running at 5 Hz, it tracks time to the nearest tenth of a second, with the central hand completing a rotation every 10 seconds. It also delivers a 60-hour power reserve, hacking seconds and modern finishing. Delivered on a steel bracelet with brushed and polished links and an additional black rubber strap, the Chronomaster Sport Meteorite is as versatile as it is unique. Once a Japan exclusive, it is now available worldwide, priced at 16,900 Swiss francs or 18,300 euros. The Zenith Chronomaster Sport Meteorite brings the story of time and space to your wrist. If you enjoyed this look, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more reviews of the world's most fascinating mechanical watches.